Hi, my name is Christopher bin Joseph. I currently study at Johor Bahru campus City University. So now I will present about current issue on halal food. So like you all can see about the scope, introduction, basic in halal food, current issue on halal food, international scenario, national perspective, consumer perception, new products, and conclusion. So about introduction, world Muslim population about 2.0 billion. So like we can see Asia, Africa, Asian, Middle East, Europe, Malaysia, North America. They have more than like Asia, they have more than 805 million. So the highest world Muslim population. So introduction, global halal food trade USD 150 billion. So in Malaysia sterling RM 600 billion. Increasing awareness of Muslim consumers worldwide, greater demand. Halal food, an excellent business and lucrative market for domestic and international trade. Basic concept, Muslims eat food that are halal, Sharia, religious, faith, spiritual, personal choice. So toyiban, wholesome, in bracket, safety, cleanliness, nutritious, quality, authentic. Why halal food? The life of Muslims are guided by Sharia law. Sharia law means Islamic law based on the Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas according to the Shafi'i or any one of the Hanafi, Maliki, or Hanbali school of thought or fatwa approved by the relevant Islamic authority. A particular food becomes halal or non-halal by Sharia law if it is considered so true by any one of the above mentioned source. So halal is an Arabic word which means permit or lawful. Halal activities are obligatory to every Muslim. Things or actions permitted by Sharia law without punishment imposed on the door. So haram is an Arabic word which means prohibited or unlawful. Haram activities are forbidden to every Muslim. Musboh, shubha. Musboh is an Arabic word which means suspected. If one does not know the halal or haram status of a particular food or drink, such a food or drink is doubtful and should be avoided. Current issue, international scenario, national perspective, consumer perception, new product. International scenario, annual value of international trade in food US 400 billion to 500 million metric tons. Global increase in halal food demand, globalization, trade agreements, international migration, like we can see, advancement of science and technology, significant increase in quantity and variety of halal food in international trade. International foodborne problems, dumping of food, bioterrorism, food security, global interests, Australia, Thailand, Singapore, China, Indonesia, Brunei, the Philippines, halal food hub. What to hub? Management, production, certification, consultancy. regional harmonization, Asian initiatives on standard certification and logo, regulatory sovereignty, fraud, abuse. So not so clear about this because I don't hit Google. So it's halal food logo in other countries. Australia, we can see the logo. Canada, Indonesia, Adelaide, New Zealand, Singapore, Thailand, United States of America. They are different logo in other country. In Malaysia also have word halal but different logo. National perspective, phenomenon of farm to table, food industry practice, deception, fraud, foraging, focus, consumer demands, export imposition. So national issue, Malaysia, World Halal Hub, JAKIM, Center of Halal Certification and Reference, Halal Food Control, Accreditation System, Human Resource Control Law, Food Hygiene and Sanitary, Future Planning. Halal Food Control. In Malaysia, the government controls halal food truck, multi-agency approach led by JAKIM. JAKIM is the authority for halal food. MO is responsible for food safety. MOA is responsible for animal health and abattoirs, and KPDN is responsible for halal label under the Trade Description Act. Chemistry department is responsible for food analysis. How prepared is Malaysia? Halal Act and Standard in Malaysia. Manual procedure on halal certification. Certification process, we can see application, go through to the premise inspection, audit sample, report writing, panel commit, issuance of halal certificate, monitoring and enforcement. The halal certificate like this is so example. Malaysia halal logo. So this is like what I talking before. This is Malaysia halal logo. Halal certification in Malaysia. Issue and challenge. Halal food laws. Halal food industry is still small. Insufficient raw ingredients, infantile R&D on halal food. Biotechnology in food product development is new. Understanding and awareness level of halal food manufacture. Voluntary application of halal certification. Exploitation on the halal logo. Competition from other non-Muslim country. Consumer perception. Personal awareness halal food is universal. Change in eating pattern. Demand for food variety and environment experience. Increased travel. Decision on purchase. Demand for labeling and logo. Muslim consumer perspective. Muslim eat to live and not live to eat. Eating is a matter of worship and begin in the name of Allah. Muslims are not to be misled by their appetites and checked by knowledge. Eat less, you will be healthier. Like in hadith. So new product of food. New type of food. Food ingredients, animal based and import. Slaughtering, stunning. Food addictive, pork and its derivatives, enzyme, emulsifier, alcohol. New technique, genetic modified organism, GMO. New methods of food processing, new risk irradiation, microwave, food drug interface, pharmaceutical, new package, new method of testing food, new hazard, biological, chemical, physical. What can we do? Strategy in halal food program, tripartite management approach, a share responsibility, industry, consumer, government, so they will connect to make halal food. Role of the government, food legislation and enforcement advice for industry, trade, consumer education, information gathering and research, provision of health related service. Role of industry, the private sector, halal and good practiced by primary procedure and distributor, quality assurance and halal control of processed food, appropriate process and technology, train manager and food handler, informative labeling and consumer education, role of consumer, educated and knowledgeable, discriminating and selective safe food practice in the home, community participation, also active consumer group, halal food hub, you can see one-stop center, halal food control or enforcement, trading hub for promotion, marketing and import matter. So like you can see reference there, consultant and hub, networking and database, training and consumer extension, R&D hub, laboratory, production, processing hub. Issue and challenge: no specific provision of comprehensive halal food laws. Halal food industry in Malaysia are still small. Lack of local halal resource, R&D in halal food infancy. Progress in biotechnology food production. Is competition from other countries, rich in agriculture resources, coordination problem between certification agency and the enforcement, harmonization of halal logo in Asian region, influence of globalization, the requirement for HACCP. So halal food is sensitive and a serious matter to every Muslim. Opportunity to tap USD 150 billion. So in Malaysia RM 600 ringgit Malaysia worth of halal food trade. Halal food market expanding in parallel with increasing Muslim population. Certification and halal food market niche. Impact of the WTO and globalization result in competitive global market for better quality halal food product. The need to establish one-stop agency to coordinate the halal food hub. Thank you. So I'm sorry because my language or my speaking not so good, so that's all for me. Thank you.